Are you here for your wife and her partner? They weren't supposed to be together that night. But secrets don't follow schedules. They were arguing. Because now, emotions were involved. And emotions make people careless. Then, a truck. A sudden swerve. A crash. Violent. Unforgiving. Instant. Steve survived. Barely. Tracy? Severely injured. Unconscious. And guess who got the call? Mark. Her husband. He rushed to the hospital. Panicked. Terrified. Asking questions. And then the nurse said it. Simple. Casual. Devastating. Are you here for your wife and her partner? Silence. That moment, that's when his entire reality shattered. Some truths don't break your heart. They rewrite your entire life.